Behind me, I have a 05 to 2011 Tacoma. It's a great looking truck, but as you can see, its fog lights have seen some better days. So what we're gonna do today is install these Morimoto XB LED fog lights to make this truck look even better. So let's get right into it. Now, to remove the fog lights, first disconnect the bulbs. Second, take a pair of pliers and press down the top and bottom tab on this plastic holder and push forward. Once you have the plastic holder free, place one hand in front of the fog light and one hand behind the fog light and just push it forward. It should slip right out. Flip them over and first take off the adjustment screw off the back. Once the adjustment screw is off, let's go ahead and take off this plastic piece that the adjustment screw goes into. Now the next step is to install the plastic piece into the Morimoto fog lights and install the adjustment screw back into that piece. Now we can take the Morimoto fog lights and slip them into the bumper on the truck. Now the next step is to install the pins into the socket. To do this, have the socket facing you. Place the red wire into the right side of the socket and place the black wire into the left side of the socket. Now that we have the pins installed into the connector, take the fog light plug and connect it to the vehicle plug and go ahead and test to make sure everything works. Now that these fog lights are installed, as you can see, they look great. If you like this install, then stay tuned for our next video where we show you step by step just how to build a set of custom headlights for this truck. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.